Welcome back to Deelish and Dare. Today we're going to be making jam out of one of the best end of summer fruits around, and that's figs. They just look so delicious and they're so sweet and juicy that I can hardly wait to make jam out of them. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to give a big shout out to all the folks from Kerala to Columbia who've shared their figs with me for today's program, as well as for the classes that I've been teaching in Dare and Terrell County. This is super good, y'all. I know you're really going to like it.